The two popular questions asked by the student. Number one, writing extra words in dictation affects the score or not? Number two, does sequence matter in repeat sentences? Yes or no? So recently I have attended a Pearson live session where there was a discussion on so many topics, and I'll show you the screenshots as well. What are the updates on write from dictation and repeat sentences? Watch the video till the end, going to be very helpful for you. See on the screen, I was attending the session and people have asked the questions from the Pearson team, even I did too. So number one thing was asked by the people that write from dictation, adding extra words in write from dictation. If I see here that what is written, they said, yes, word order matters in write from dictation as it affects your score for grammar and meaning. Your response should match the exact word order of the dictated sentence to maximize your score. So number one update is that order definitely matters in your write from dictation. In write from dictation, whenever we are doing it, we have to make sure that we always write the words in a proper order. There has to be a correct order. If we are not writing in a proper order, like the first word we have written on the third word written on the first, that is going to reduce our points. So we have to make sure that we focus on this thing. We are not supposed to change the order, change the sequence in write from dictation. Number two, in write from dictation, adding extra word can lead to a loss of marks. So it's essential to avoid including unnecessary words. Big highlight and big thing that in write from dictation, adding extra words can lead to loss of points. So if you are adding extra words, we usually add so many punctuations, prepositions. Even I was doing it in my exam, but now it has been clearly stated by Pearson team that we cannot do that. So it is very important to avoid to include the unnecessary words. We are not supposed to write that. Focus on replicating the sentence as accurately as possible. So write the sentence accurately and properly. Do not change the order. I am going to do an example for you that will help you for the better understanding. Let's listen to it and then answer. Make sure you always understand, try to understand what is trying to say, then it will be very helpful to replicate it. Let's listen to write from dictation example, how we have to write it.
Our school lunch place has lots of different snacks and drinks.
Full stop. So I have written each and every word at its place. No extra word I have added. You have to do the same thing in the exam to get a very good score. This is the thing. Even I took the test. I did this experiment in my exam. I'll highlight my result here. I have got very good score in listening. I have got 8 in listening, but when it comes to writing, I have been less than that. Why? Because I experimented that in write from dictation. I have added 10 extra words. Yes, I got 3 write from dictations and I have added many approx 10 words extra, and that has actually affected my score. So please stop adding the extra words. We are not supposed to do that anymore in the exam. Next thing we're gonna discuss about is repeat sentences. You know that you will be listening to a sentence, we have to replicate the sentence, we have to speak the sentence. Usually what we were supposed to do and what we were doing was that, so whatsoever of the content we catch, we were repeating as it is. In the worst case scenario, do the same, but now the priority has changed. What Pearson says, let's have a look. So Pearson says that in repeat sentences, you will be scored on the correct word sequence that you produce for this question type. So the more parts of the sentence understand, the better reproduction will be. You will be scored on the correct word sequences. So sequences definitely matter. If you are not speaking the sentence in a good sequence, and we are changing the words, we are rearranging them, then loss of points. I got very good score in listening because in repeat sentences I used this strategy. Definitely I used this strategy. I spoke them in a sequence. Even I was able to listen the first 4-5 words. I made sure I'm not adding extra fillers. I just spoke first 4-5 words accurately and I got 90 in my speaking with that and a very good score in my listening too. Whenever I'm going to go for the exam, that whenever we are doing the repeat sentences, everything has to be in a proper sequence. If there is no proper sequence, then definitely there will be score reduction. So we have to make sure that whenever we are doing the repeat sentences, speak them in a proper order without any pauses and hesitation. Let's do an example of that.
The student deserves a prize for his good behavior at school.
The student deserves a prize for his good behavior at school. This is the thing. You have to speak whatsoever we got. No, make sure proper order. We have to make sure that we are speaking in a proper order. If I heard, let's say, the student deserves a prize, that's okay. Just speak the student deserves a prize. That's it. We don't need to add any extra fillers in this. So please make sure that in write from dictation we are not adding extra words. In repeat sentences we take care of the sequence as well as in the write from dictation too, and then only we'll be able to get a very good score in listening, writing and speaking. Make sure you practice in the same way. We'll see you with the next update. Thank you so much everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for the updates. Thank you.